Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by validating prerequisites and kicking off the first sync immediately. Ensure the Wsus role, database, and enough disk space are present. This prevents later failures. Configure products, classifications, and languages so only relevant updates are downloaded. Once done, run the initial synchronization and choose metadata only or download as needed to inspect updates first. This lets you review what Wsus sees before committing bandwidth. Make sure automatic approvals are off so you control deployment timing. Next, you focus on targeting and approvals. Create clear computer groups, pilot, broad, and critical, then move devices into them using group policy or manual assignment. Use Wsus update views to decline superseded or irrelevant updates so clients aren't overloaded. Once you identify a stable update, approve it for the pilot group first and monitor results. This prevents widespread disruption. After success, stagger approvals to broader groups and schedule downloads to avoid peak bandwidth times. Finally, you complete deployment and confirm health. Monitor update status and client compliance from the Wsus console. Review failing clients and error codes. If clients fail, run diagnostics on a sample. Trigger detection with Wsus, or use the Windows Update agent logs to pinpoint causes. Once deployment is stable, run Wsus cleanup and database maintenance to remove declined updates and reclaim space. If issues persist, check network ports, proxy settings, and ensure client group policy points to the correct Wsus server.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.